let me show you our exhibition or demo room. So first, it's all the certificates which we got for the last few years, including TÜV and CE certificate, and also including the ISO 14000 and ISO 9001, and the patents which we get, and also software rights. And now this is the solar pumping systems and irrigation solutions, and pivot, sprinkler, drip irrigation, and DC pump systems for all these solutions. And this is the cabinet in China projects. And this is our new machines, which one button control and water meter, and the best seller of pumping inverters. Now I'm going to show you the PCBA assembly, part of the PCBA assembly, and the assembling and also testing in with this automation machines. This is a PCBA quality automation control systems, which we can test over the short or questions for this PCBA assembling process. So we can see the professional working. I'm going to show you the PCBA protection before we send the painting for the PCBA. So we use the stickers to protect the main components and the main circuit, so that after painting that it will be more waterproof and humidity and dusty protection for this process. Hello brother, so now I'm going to show you the PCBA testing process, which we have automation testing machines, have about 15 testing process, which we can see the input and output, whether it's inside the right range. We can see it's all by automation, so no mistake. This is assembly line 2, and this is the first assembly line. Now it's off time and the people go for food. Hello brother, so now I'm going to show you the motor test, a final quality check with the motor. So this is by with load testing. We can see the big motors from this injection machines also. So for this it's the process and the record of the or the process of the quality of the products. So now it's showing the voltage. We will test all the protection function of the inverter, like over voltage, over current, or the parameters will be tested in this final quality check process. Hello brother, so this is our stock areas, which we can deliver the cargo very fast. Brother, this is the process of our management of the manufacturer. So it's including all the ERP and systems, including what is the customer requirement and how to make customer satisfied. So this is our working office, and there is our exhibition room, and here is also management process and how to control the quality management systems in Chinese language. Hello brother, so now I'm showing you the meeting room, conference room, and also our general manager's office, including the platform, working platform, and also the Chinese teacup and the sofa. And here, your time is waiting here.